So when you want to improve the look of your stock car, the first thing, in my opinion, that you have to do is wheels, because stock wheels doesn't look good on most cars. Cars don't usually come with proper wheels from the factory. Since I sold my F30 and I broke the wheels on my G30, I did a poll on my Instagram. I asked you guys, what wheels do I get for the G30? And the most common response was Raxer wheels. So I contacted them. They told me that these are their newest addition, and I fell in love right away. These look beautiful, and I feel like this would go perfectly with the color of the car and with everything. It's just perfect. These are 20 inches. There are 9 inches in the front in terms of width and 9.5 at the back, and they were priced really well compared to the rest of the market, so that's always a bonus, because you all know I don't like spending money on my car. So these are the fronts.
Yes, correct.
Less concave, and those are the rears with like the proper concave.
Correct.
That's nice. And you told me I will be the first one to ever have these wheels.
Yes,
on
we
their
are
car.
installing today.
Yeah.
Because most of the dealers are getting the stocks already. Just the problem is whether they sell it off or not.
Okay.
That's the thing.
In your face, whoever is getting these next.
Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse.
So we were on our way to Raxer wheels to go pick up the wheels and tires for the car, go ahead and install them. It was gonna be a beautiful day, but it would not be an AJ Drives video without my car breaking down, and I have a flat tire and a security is about to come pick me up.
But they spare it?
No spare.
No spare?
This car got no spare. I need to call towing.
You can park over there.
How far are we from my house? 11 minutes.
Yeah, no, not happy.
The reason we are getting new wheels for the car, first of all, the F30 is sold. I need a project car. Oh my god, that wheel is not gonna be usable after today.
Might as well do some burnouts.
What's the only thing that could break down on a perfect condition car? Fucking wheels, for fuck's sake. The tire is gone, the wheel is also gone. What better day to get new wheels for the car? Ow!
The person you are calling, please try later.
You can literally hear the wheel cracking. I feel like I'm putting the car through more abuse than I've ever had before. When you have run flat tires and they are bad, they are horrible, they drive like shit, and the only reason I have a broken wheel is because of the run flat tire. When you don't have run flat tires, when you get a puncture, you can't drive on them anymore, which is what I'm doing right now. Look at this.
Wow.
Please continue to hold. A customer service officer will speak to you shortly.
Hello. I wanted to book towing for my car.
You may refer to them what time they will arrive.
Thank you. Bye.
Professional driver, eh?
We are towing the car to Project A.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious.
You should hold the clit and then that opens up. Yeah, and just like that, we are back at Project. What are you guys called? Project something.
Project A.
Project
A for Amr.
A for Amr. Yeah, or gay for Michael. He can't hear us, and I don't think he watches my videos, so we should be fine. For the first time ever, I bought myself Christmas gifts. By the way, if you guys are looking for used tires that are in a perfect condition, as you can see right now, comment down below, and one of you is gonna win this. I have never seen something like.
Are you fingering the tire?
Are you familiar with this motion?
Magic fingers?
Yeah. Have you ever seen something like that?
From YouTube, bro.
Have you ever seen?
I've seen worse.
You've seen worse?
Curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for thrones.
I went for a very boxy design.
Let's see.
Let's see. Okay, we are getting somewhere. I used proper protection for this. 3, 2, 1. Everybody's already seen this. Wow.
That's nice.
It is very nice, bro. Compared to that, it's actually very light.
What size is this?
20.
20.
Like the size of my, no, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely not 20 inches.
20 millimeter, wow.
Yeah, 20 millimeters. Give me a rim job today.
I use my Cayenne as a delivery van.
Okay. Brand new, used tires.
Why is everything with you on a budget?
Because I'm not rich like you. I don't have a fucking workshop.
You be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body. Another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. Then I double up again, none of their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted. So I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close. I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's
After 2 days of trying and trying, we finally were able to take the stock wheels off the car. They really did not want to come off. The car wanted to stick with the stock wheels, you know. I now present to you the brand new Raxer wheels, STVR2s. These are brand new. What I love about these is that they have a really nice metallic flake on the paint and it looks super premium. Running on 255 35/20s in the front, which is crazy because that's as wide as the rear tires used to be on my F30, and 285 30/20s on the back. And it was really hard to find tires on the exact same days. I'm running P0s in the front and PS Corsons in the back. The car drives amazing. It doesn't feel like the tires are mismatched because the tires, as far as I know, they are both freaking amazing. I guess the next step at this point is I need to get another front lip because my front lip came off. I already have some side skirts at my house which needs to be installed. And then come to the back. I have picked out a super aggressive diffuser for the car, which is gonna completely change the back end of the car. I'm pretty sure if I get that diffuser, I would have to go with a more aggressive spoiler as well. But then the question becomes, do I get quad pipe exhaust tips? I personally wouldn't wanna do that. These are the pipes that come on these cars on the 530s, on the 540s. I'm not sure if they come on the 550s. I'm pretty sure they are. I do not want to have a fake M5 look on a car with a charging flap on its fender. So I don't think that's an option. But anyways, you guys let me know if I should go with the quad pipe and do the full commitment and a fake exhaust pipe. The diffuser is gonna look insane. I had my friend Jack find me a photo of the diffuser with these exhaust pipes and it doesn't look half bad. What is after that? As you can see, we can fit 4 fingers in the wheel gap of the car and that should be a crime. Suspension is the next step. Do I commit and go full coilovers or do I get H&R springs? I would personally want to go with the H&R route because with the H&R springs, I would get to keep the adaptive suspension, which is really important to me because it's absolutely amazing how BMW made this car feel and handle. Second of all, H&Rs will drop 3 centimeters in the front, so I would still have 1 finger of wheel gap and 2 centimeters at the back, which is good because the back wheel gap is 3 centimeters. The car won't be slammed, which is good because it's a 5 Series. And the car does look a bit odd from the factory. It just sits a little higher in front, so that's weird. Anyways, 3 centimeter drop in the front, 2 centimeter in the back with H&R sport springs, and I would get to keep my adaptive suspension, which is great. Comment down below exhaust tips and suspension choice. Let me know what you think about the wheels. I hope you guys have a fantastic 2025. The F30 is already sold. This has to be the project car for now until I do an actual project, which is gonna be insane, so get excited for that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, turn on your notifications, follow Raxer Wheels, and
Where's the sound?